Good afternoon, YouTube friends, and if you have watched my video this morning, Himalayan Mulberry update, day 21, November 14, 2022, I've mentioned to you this early morning in our filming that I'm going to do our second harvest this afternoon. So now, join with me in my second harvest of this Himalayan mulberry. Okay, so we'll put here all our Himalayan mulberry harvest here. Okay, my wife is still doing his tutorial, so I'm heading back home so that I still have time to harvest this, and then this will be ready for eating when my wife comes home. Okay, the chickens are here. I'm glad I already finished that enclosure there for our vegetable garden, because if not, then they will do all the rampage there. Okay. Oh, we have oh, no, pansok mo. Okay, they're Thai chickens, it's different, so I'm speaking their language. And here, wow, we have rain this early morning, like around 4-5 o'clock in the morning, and then this early afternoon we have another rain. I thought only at my school, but actually that rain have reached here. Shh, no, pansok. So YouTube friends, it is really nice if you have your own vegetable garden, if it's possible to plant right in your place. Aside that you're having fun, it's also like kind of therapy. Therapy there. Okay, I don't know if you're following me there. See that? It's very difficult. My other hand is holding the camera, the other one is reaching the right fruit of Himalayan mulberry. This one is still hard. Okay, got it. Oh, look at this, our second harvest of this Himalayan mulberry. We have more numbers of fruit in our second harvest compared to our first harvest yesterday. We have this healthy pigweed plant that usually misunderstood by many as spinach. Actually, that is pigweed plant. And then we can go up here. I think we can get some. Down here I have another one. And then up here, YouTube friends, see that? How many minutes already? 4 minutes. Okay. If it's too long, that can be boring, maybe. And okay, look at that. Healthy, nutritious, and delicious Himalayan mulberry fruits here. We have another one here. I'll try to pick one. I think it's okay. And then here, I hope that I can get this. Okay. See? Okay. Man, these are all delicious Himalayan mulberry fruits here. Okay. I think we still have remaining few a few remaining fruits here. We'll see that out. Okay, we have one here, right here. See that? And the top end did not develop much, but that's okay. I still take this. Okay. And look at that. We will have more ripe fruits tomorrow, I guess. I'm looking for those hiding ones here. There's another one here. Okay. Oh, we have a lot today. 6 minutes. So these are all what we have today, YouTube friends. Look at this. Now let me put this one in my hand. I'll try. I don't know how. Let me pause this filming for a few seconds so that my other hand can help me to put this one right in my left hand. Okay, for a moment. Look at this, YouTube friends. It's like twice as much as we got today compared to yesterday. Look at that. See? Like we double the number of the Himalayan mulberry fruits that we harvested yesterday in our first harvest. So today this will be our second harvest. So we still have more. And I've mentioned to you that I commit myself already to upload an update right now. Most of my update will be about harvesting of this Himalayan mulberry, and probably until the end or the last fruit standing here in the fruit in this tree, then I'll have to start doing the early yearing or marketing so that we can reproduce more, and we'll have more Himalayan mulberry plants next year hopefully. And at the same time I'll do the early yearing and marketing of our avocado tree as well. So this has been here like the same old as Himalayan mulberry. This one Himalayan mulberry is a bit older. This one is around 2.5 years something. Okay, we have our orchids here, started to bear flowers. Look at that. I'll show you that once the flower starts to open, or probably I'll include that one in our update here in the garden. And also here, look at that kind of beauty. And I think tonight, since we don't have class, so we don't have regular classes tomorrow. It's a Buddhist exam in our school, so I'll be doing something here in the garden tonight if there's no rain. So thank you for watching, YouTube friends, and I'd like to see you all in the next upload. See ya.